What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino Carpet Cleaning, and today's just doing a video on actually a new tool, well, tool junkie, I guess. A lot of us are, but you know, you gotta experiment, see what's gonna bring up your productivity and kind of help out with the overall process of carpet cleaning. So I had the Ryobi sprayer, right? Battery operated sprayer. You can see it up here. Have it. I got an extra tank for it for spotters and stuff like that. Great for that. But as far as the output on it, as far as pre-spray, it just takes too long. Low moisture, it'd probably be fine. But as far as hot water extraction and just my process, it just takes too long. So I love that machine, don't get me wrong, but so I did some research. I seen a guy on YouTube, the carpet muscle guy, and he was using one of these. He didn't want to put it on, but yeah, I used it earlier today and kind of just carried it around. It's kind of heavy, especially when you got water in there. So putting it on, so I put it on this job, pre-sprayed this whole place, and I tell you what, it puts out just as much as a Hydro Force, you know. So it's really good because you can have your guys, if you're working with somebody, pre-spraying while you're pulling all your hoses out and stuff like that, right? You don't have to wait to pre-spray until you get the water hooked up, hose hooked up. You don't have to deal with pumping. I mean, it really puts out big time. Let me kind of show you. Oh. Got to remember to turn it off because you can't hear it too much when it's just sitting. You can't hear it at all. So, I mean, you can really. I mean, I blasted through that room, that house, in no time. You know, so you can tell it's got wide fan there. They have two different ones. One with a kind of a mister round, but I like the fan. And actually, what's good is my other pump-up sprayers that I got at Lowe's. The tips that come with it, they fit right in here. So actually, I think the one that came with it was putting out a little bit too much, so I changed it. It's also red, but yeah, you can enter what's the word I'm looking for? You can use pump-up sprayer tips for this also. So like it. I do like it. You know, you gotta get over the my wife said that's kind of embarrassing walking around with that, you know. Embarrassing. I'm not embarrassed. I think it looks cool. You know, we're part-time Ghostbusters, so, you know. We're ghost hunters, huh? Ghostbusters. This is a Ghostbuster bat. But anyway, I mean, you'll love it. It's about $150, and I'm glad I got it. My only thing was it takes up a little bit of space in my van, so I had to reorganize a little bit. And being that I'm not going to have all those pump-up sprayers in there, it actually kind of replaces it. It's not as big as two pump-up sprayers. So yeah, so as soon as we walked into this place, as soon as we, Brenda's been here before, she said that place is haunted. And as you can tell, it kind of looks a little haunted. Right? But it's really nice inside. So as soon as we walk in, we hear somebody say, I'm in here. So we thought, oh man. So we thought there was somebody still in here because it's a vacation rental, you know. We put in the code and everything. So we walked upstairs and we're, hello. And nobody's answer us, you know. Kind of walk around the place and nobody in here. So I think that we were welcomed, or either that or telling us to get the heck out of here. All right.
Welcoming us.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get to cleaning. We don't really have to do any pre-scrubbing or anything like that. This is a maintenance cleaning. I did it numerous of times. And so basically I just wanted to talk about this. The pump out is awesome, a lot more than the other Ryobi sprayer that I got. So with that and the other one, I got both spotters, you know, as far as Scotch Guard, enzymes and stuff like that with the other one, and then this for pre-spray. So yeah, I'm gonna start using it. All right, thanks for watching. We're gonna finish up here. Actually get started. I gotta pull out my vacuum still, and my vacuum hose. Get started. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.